Good morning, guys. I was inside making my coffee, so I haven't had my coffee yet. And I was thinking about courage, and I wanted to talk to you guys today about courage. Are you like the lion on the Wizard of Oz? Look at my hair, messing up here. Are you like the lion on the Wizard of Oz? Everything that you hear makes you scared or worried, or maybe you get a bad report, or you know of an upcoming thing that you're concerned about. You know, courage is so important. Um, in the Bible, God told lots of people to have courage and to be strong and fear not. And I wanted to encourage you to, when you have those moments, to change the channel in your head and become courageous. No, I'm not talking stupid things like jump out of an airplane or do something that you know is absolutely dangerous. I'm talking about just maybe you have a fear or a phobia about something that's just not worth worrying about. So face it with courage. Just say, hey, I'm courageous. I'm not fearful. I'm courageous and I can handle this. And I wanted to just say, just cop that attitude. Just an attitude of courage. Like, I'll do that. I'm not afraid. I'll tackle that. I'm not afraid. You know, it could be anything. And just train yourself and train your, friends, children, your sphere of influence to be courageous and not to be afraid. And I've had times in my life that I was concerned about something. And what I'll do is, of course, I'll always, pray and ask God to help me. Sometimes I pray, Lord, help me through the process. But what I'll do is I'll sit down in the chair and I'll think, okay, just think, next week would this even bother me? You know what I mean? Like after the appointment or after the situation or whatever, where I might say next year or 2 days from now. And I think that if you kind of just put things in perspective, you realize that half the things that you worry about don't even matter. And I think that's wisdom. And remember that no matter what you face, if you bring the Lord into it, you're not in it alone anyway. So whatever it is, and there's probably thousands of people that have gone through it before, or maybe not. You might be the courageous one, be the first one to plow through. But I just wanted to encourage you to have faith in God and to know you're not alone and to be courageous about all the things in your life and to cop an attitude of courage rather than fear. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.